We'll guide you through how to fix a blurry screen in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be super annoying, so let's go and get started with these fixes. Make sure it's a full video as we're covering multiple. First of all, you want to go and right click on some blank space on your desktop like so, and click on display settings. Now, I've got multiple displays here, you may or you may not, it doesn't matter. All you want to do is have one selected, and then you want to go and scroll down. Go and set the scale to 100% like so. After you've done that, you then want to go and scroll down, and you want to go and make sure the resolution is set to a standard one. So if you've got a 1440p monitor, use that. Ideally use the recommended one by Windows, in fact. If you've got a 1080p monitor, use that. If you've got a 720p monitor, go and use that down here. If that solves your problem, then awesome. If it didn't, then what you want to do is come to the bottom of your computer and click on search and type in device manager, and it'll go and open up. Now what you need to do is come into display adapters and click on the arrow to the left to expand it. Go and find the display adapter you use. So I use my graphics card here, and you want to right click on it and click on update driver. Then you want to go and do an automatic search like so, and it'll go and see if the best drivers are installed. So you can do it this way, or alternatively, you can go to your graphics card manufacturer website, and then what you can do is download the drivers from there and install them. So I can go to NVIDIA's site. I hope one of the methods in this video has solved your problem.